COVID-19 yare no oda sense wiase komu onkoye. Nipa dodo a wo wiase mu a enya yare no bi sese ya me no kase. Eye 4,853,436.
Timeline, April 2020. The COVID pandemic is raging. In Ghana, we have just come out of a partial lockdown. It is clear we must be wise, intelligent. At Ingenious, we pride ourselves as social engineers. So the situation presented an interesting challenge to surmount. It was clear that the populace had to be oriented or sensitized to become COVID-wise, as they say. To make mask wearing, hand washing, social distancing, and all the rest of it a part of their lives.
Right, we know so. Sanitizer no. Miss so
Imagine a Ghanaian couple caught up in the pandemic like everyone else. And what if the woman is COVID-wise and the man is what we are calling a COVIDiot? Imagine the opportunities to learn both from the positive and the negative experiences. Just imagine.
Stay right there. Jinawa, follow the arc, Tramensa. Follow it.
The challenge was to develop a program which would use a minimal number of cast, minimal number of crew, and be able to have all the COVID protocols in place.
We settled on 2 key casts, they are Sempers, and these were the only cast members we used for the first 6 episodes. And also, we used 1 key location for most of the recordings to avoid moving about unnecessarily.
Having developed a workable concept, the next move was to find strategic partners with linkage. People who would find merit in what we're doing or whose very work was related to what we're doing.
One of the effective ways to combat COVID-19 pandemic is to educate the masses on the do's and don'ts. And to educate means you need to come up with an effective communication medium that will be able to actually impact on the people to do the right thing. The Gamma Sanitation Project is partner with Corona Life. Sa series koso na de aye nyina ne se Ghana for ekwan ba ko yetimi ene odi nkutaho a woni gye ho a wotimi efa ene se obehwesene.
When Ingenious Africa came to us during the outbreak of the coronavirus to produce Corona Life, we saw it as very strategic in reaching the masses in terms of disseminating information to get the masses to wash their hands, to get the masses to conform to the social distancing protocols. It is so strategic because as at that time, there was no program on television that can reach everybody. There was no program on social media that can reach everybody. So the project saw it as a very important intervention that it needs to support.
And so we thought that we could combine this verbal and non-verbal communication practice to be able to impact on the people. And the choice of drama and the personalities has actually made the needed impact.
We had done a public-private partnership on hand washing, which won several awards, both locally and internationally. So it was clear when there was COVID and hand washing came up as one of the important things which had to be done. We realized that, look, what can we do further to have the impact that we need to have? And that is what we did, and we ended up supporting the Corona Life, which has had a huge impact on the lives of our people.
Our partnership with Ingenious Africa and Corona Life is critical to this knowledge share, and we believe that we'll continue to deliver content that is compelling, relevant, and speaking to this development to ensure that we bring Corona under control.
We are really happy about what we've been able to do with Corona Life, and we believe that this is the way to go.
We are also working on the cartoon aspect of it, which is going to reach the children, since the children will be going back to school very soon.
Overall, viewers have reacted very positively to the concept. The challenge is to sustain it, to keep on engaging people. Now there's a new term called COVID fatigue. because we are all tired. It's been almost a year. Yet, we must maintain. The vaccine before the vaccine is hand washing, hand sanitizing, physical distancing, and very importantly, wearing your face mask.